Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It's still the new year because, we're still within the first week. Um I just want to quickly go over how to trade out of the money options. So, when you're trading out of the money options with that are short dated especially, the premiums are going to be extremely volatile and they're going to move very very fast. And so, when trading options, especially out of the money options, you want to sell into strength. So, um, today at 9:42, I entered a Tesla 1000 put. So I entered maybe like around in this price range here. I just figured that Tesla could easily dump because I thought tech would, and it was right at this major support. So I knew that if it did dump, it would dump heavy. Tesla is one of the most overvalued companies in the entire market. I think that if we go through another major bear market, there might come a time where Tesla goes down and doesn't come back up. I mean, maybe not, but regardless, Tesla is a stock where fear can take over very quickly. So yeah, I just figured that fear would take over and this thing would sell. So this thing sold off really heavily this morning. And see, when you're trading out of the money options that are short dated, you need to get out quickly. And you need to, well, not necessarily get out quickly, but you need to sell into strength. So I sold this at 10:07. So I sold down here. Let's see. So I got in at 9:42. At 9:42 this morning. They went from about, I got in for 260. They went to about 2, and then they just started printing after, obviously. And I got out at, let's see, 10:07. So I got out here. So I didn't get the bottom, obviously, but I sold into weakness. I believe I sold it while this candle was still red. I think I sold it in this quadrant of it, like the bottom quadrant. And the key is to sell into weakness when you're trading out of the money options. You want to sell it while it's going your way. You don't want to wait for it to reverse. I mean, if you have more time, maybe you do. Like if you have maybe 4 or 5 days or a couple weeks, like yeah, you can hold it until it reverses. But when you're in a very fast moving option, you want to get out while it's moving in your favor. So if you look here, so my entry was at 9:42. So I got in around here, 270, right? So I got in at like 260 something. Let's see. 264. So I got in like right here. It came down to 2. And then I got out for 1220. So, as you can see, these are just 1 minute each one. So just, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 10 minutes later, this thing had lost half of its value, right? So I went from being up 400%. Well, let's see, like let's say 3 to 12, so like over 300%. It was like almost 400% gain to only like 100% or so in 10 minutes. So as you can see, the premiums, they go crazy very quickly. So if you stuttered on this, even just a few minutes, if you didn't sell in this, you know, 8 minute period up here, then your premiums got wrecked and you did not get that much of the move. It did give you one more chance to get out where it, shot up between 10 and 11-ish right here. But premiums move very quickly. And as you can see, now it's a loss if you had held through. So, when I'm buying these out of the money puts, my goal is not to wait until it goes in the money. My goal is just to get in, make some money, and get out. And yeah, so that's the moral of the story, and that's the lesson that I just wanted to go over today. is when you're trading out of the money options, especially short dated ones, you want to get out while strength is in your favor. You really don't know how far a stock's going to go, but you want to get out while it's strong and while it's really, printing for you, so to speak.